This is the Lastforever walking treadmill designed specifically for seniors and recovery, and I'm so excited to be unboxing this today. First things first, the box is pretty sturdy and well packaged. Everything feels secure inside, which I love because nobody wants damaged equipment. This did not come with many parts or pieces that you have to put together, which is really nice. It comes with the main base, the upright frame, some hardware, and the safety key, which is amazing. As you can see, this is not one of those tiny walking pads. So it comes with these extended handrails, which is one of my favorite features. I love that it has the full support rails on both sides for balance and safety. Now, this was gifted to me so that I can try it out with all of my seniors, so all of the safety features are very important to me. The belt is nice and wide, 14.5 inches, so it doesn't feel scary or narrow at all. My brother had it put together and assembled in 20 minutes flat. I love that it doesn't take up a lot of space. And if you see that blue light there, that's the large display screen, so you can clearly see your speed, distance, and time.